Whether you're flying, driving, or boating to Newfoundland, the capital city of St. John's is not to be missed. I had been to Newfoundland twice before, but limited myself to the west coast. This time, I made the commitment to drive the 12 hours across the island, and let me say, I'm glad I did. For a city of 200,000 people, St. John's feels more like a tight-knit community, being the most eastern city in North America, if you exclude Greenland, that is. The city revolves around something that it has a lot of: the water, perched on the Avalon Peninsula of the Atlantic Ocean. This city is often defined by its fishing industry and busy port located in the heart of downtown. Our day began at Pippi Park, a campground conveniently located just outside of town. At first, we planned on taking the bus in, but the clear skies and warm temperatures convinced us the 45-minute walk was more than worth it. As we approached the Belvedere Roman Catholic Cemetery, we knew we were getting closer to town. The buildings were getting taller, and glimpses of the iconic locations such as Signal Hill came into view. St. John's is considered to be the oldest post-Columbian European settlement in North America, appearing on maps as early as 1545. At that time, it was a simple fishing community, but today it stands strong as the second biggest city in eastern Canada and the 20th biggest in the country. As a modern city, you can find a wide variety of things to see and do. It mixes the old and new in a seamless way, where one doesn't overshadow the other. So now we're heading down to George Street, which is the main bar district here in St. John's, and we're going to be finding the pub that we're going to be getting screeched in later today. So we're going to do a little bit of pre-scouting before we get there, and hopefully when it comes time to do that a little bit later on, we won't have any problems finding it. So we have found where we're going to be going tonight. So behind me is Christian's Bar, and that's where we're going to be screeched in. There are a few places, from what I understand, here in St. John's where you can do it. This one was recommended to me by 2 different people, so when you have that happen, I think this is going to be the place to go. Perhaps one of the most iconic streets in eastern Canada is George Street. It's here those looking for a party will have their fill. We went to O'Reilly's Irish Newfoundland pub to enjoy a local drink and some music. The Trans-Canada Highway is one of the longest highways in the world, stretching 7,821 kilometers or 4,860 miles. It begins right here in Newfoundland and carries on throughout the magnificent country of Canada. Our tour of Newfoundland's capital was just the start for us in this fun town, as we had experiences lined up at Signal Hill National Historic Site, as well as becoming honorary Newfoundlanders by getting screeched in by the same person who screeched in TV personality, chef, and world traveler Anthony Bourdain. For more information on what to do in St. John's and other amazing places across Newfoundland, please visit our website at joshuatravelguide.ca. Be sure to do us a favor and share the video, because together we can share the world. touching on the rich history this province has with the sea. Not only does the museum keep ties with the traditions, but also with the location of this up-and-coming brewery. To learn more about Dildo Brewing Company or our other Newfoundland adventures, visit our website at joshuatravelguy.ca. Do us a favor and share this video, because together, we can share the world. Alright everyone, thank you so much for joining us today as we got to enjoy 4 of the best of Dildo Brewing Company beers. We enjoyed them all. If you're new to the channel, I want to say welcome. Hope you subscribe. We're going to be doing some amazing stuff while we're here in Newfoundland. And then, of course, if you're a current subscriber, I want to thank you again for watching another video. And this one's for you.